Today we're going to be doing a room tour. We are staying in room 4903. This is the eco-friendly family suite. It is the base entry room. We have jungle view. So as you come in, this is your closet. Plenty of storage, water, coffee. There's a safe in there, and then here is your mini bar that is stocked every day. Your closet. This is the panel box if you lose power. And as we make our way down the hall to the left, you have the dual vanity. You have a separate shower and the water closet, rain head, and the wand. As we make our way out, you come into the bedroom area. It comes with 2 bunk beds, and then there is a king-size bed. There is plenty of outlets. You can actually, if you wanted to, hook up your cell phone. It has Bluetooth speakers in the ceiling. They are up there. There's 2 of them. There's one there and then one down there. Pretty decent sized TV. Again, more plugs. We always travel with an outlet. And then as we go outside, this is our balcony. Pretty decent sized balcony. Again, right in the jungle. As we make our way back in, again, the bunk beds. And that's pretty much it for the room. Thank you for watching.